Electrolytic refining is a process of obtaining pure metal. The electrolyte has to be the salt of the metal which needs to be purified or refined. Here we are trying to refine copper, so the electrolyte taken is acidified copper sulfate. The anode is taken as a thick rod made up of impure copper. Cathode is made up of pure copper and it is taken in the form of a thin rod. When current passes, copper sulfate, that is the electrolyte, dissociates into copper ions and sulfate ions. At anode, copper atoms lose 2 electrons to the anode and change into copper ions. These copper ions come into the electrolyte. The copper ions from the electrolyte get attracted towards the cathode. They gain 2 electrons from the cathode and in turn change into copper atoms. As more and more copper atoms get deposited on cathode, the cathode goes on becoming thicker. As atoms of copper are coming out of anode, anode goes on becoming thinner. The anode, which was made up of impure copper, the impurities, they fall below the anode and get collected in the form of anode mud. Copper which is deposited on cathode is the pure copper and can be used for making electric wires or cables or utensils, etc.